Go for it.
Asa?
Sige, man-greet daw to kung mama. Happy birthday, ba?
Ning, happy birthday in advance.
Esa si Lola siya. O, alya kita kung tore.
Marami pang birthday darating. At saka, kumusta na kayo dyan? Okay na ba kayo? Salamat naman kung okay na.
Alya kita kung tore. Greetings.
Start.
Okay.
My dearest sister, I just want that you still remember that I want to tell you that you will always have a wonderful celebration. Even it is not here, but it is far away, but you receive the message clearly. Mostly it is our not family or our entire family, it is highly involved. Okay?
Okay.
All right.